Rebecca, you say there's a liquidity crisis underway. It's already begun with redemptions in some real estate companies. Tell us more.
Yes, Maria, it's a big concern, and investors really need to understand if they think that we're specifically talking here about Starwood's S REIT. And so specifically, Maria, I wanted to go over the redemptions and the liquidity. In 2022, at the end, they had $2.2 billion in liquidity. At the end of 2023, they had $1.1 billion. At the end of April, they had $752 million of liquidity. They had redemptions in the first quarter. So this is, again, a real estate investment or real estate income trust. They basically had a credit. In the first quarter, they could not even basically satisfy. They had $1.3 billion of redemption requests in Q1, and they could only satisfy $500 million. That's $800 million that was not satisfied. Their credit line has gone from $1.5 billion to $275 million. They're going to be out of cash this year. If we look at the B REIT, which is obviously Blackstone, we just talked about Steve, the CEO. If we look at Blackstone, they have been so far able to handle the redemption requests. But because layoffs have really ticked up this year, if people think that they're going to go and liquidate this kind of investment and get through kind of a job layoff or any kind of economic disruption, investors really need to understand that commercial real estate has been hit with liquidity for both devaluations of property values and interest rate increases. And there is a likelihood that they will not be able to get redeemed. And so they need to start thinking in terms of M2 money supply contraction and liquidity problems.